This is a second continuation video for example sums on treatment of goodwill at the time of retirement of partner. Let's go to the fourth example sum. Example 4. Arjun, Bhim and Nakul are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 14:5:6. Bhim retires and gives 5/25 of his share to Arjun and the remaining share to Nakul. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 2 years' purchase of super profits based on average profits of the last 3 years. Profits for the last 3 years are Rs 50,000, Rs 55,000 and Rs 60,000 respectively. Normal profits for the similar firm are Rs 30,000. Goodwill already exists in the books of the firm at Rs 75,000. Profit for the first year after Bhim's retirement was Rs 1 lakh. We are asked to give the necessary journal entries to adjust the goodwill and to distribute the profit after showing our workings. We'll begin with the working note. We'll calculate as working note 1 the value of goodwill of firm. This is equal to 2 years purchase of super profits. So 2 into super profits. As per the problem, average profits is equal to 50,000 plus 55,000 plus 60,000 divided by 3, which is equal to 55,000 rupees. Also, the normal profits is 30,000 rupees. Hence, super profits is equal to 55,000 rupees minus the normal profits 30,000 rupees, which is equal to Rs 25,000, and goodwill is equal to 2 into 25,000 rupees, which is equal to Rs 50,000. The second working note is to calculate the gain of the continuing partners. As per the problem, OPSR between Arjun, Bhim and Nakul is equal to 14:5:6. Bhim retires and gives 5/25 of his share to Arjun. So gain of Arjun 5/25 of Bhim's share, which is again 5 divided by 25. This is equal to 1 divided by 25. Further, we can find out the gain of Nakul by taking the total gain, which is Bhim's share 5/25 minus the gain of Arjun, which is 1/25, is equal to 4/25. Also, the third working note is to calculate the new profit sharing ratio between Arjun and Nakul. We can apply the formulae. New share is equal to old share plus gain. In the case of Arjun, old share 14 divided by 25 plus the gain of Arjun is 1 divided by 25 is equal to 15 divided by 25. And in the case of Nakul, old share 6 divided by 25 plus 4 divided by 25, the gain is equal to 10 divided by 25. So the NPSR between Arjun and Nakul is equal to 15:10, or in other words 3:2. Let's go ahead with the solution. Journal, date, particulars, LF number, debit rupees and credit rupees. First journal entry, it says the goodwill already exists in the books of the firm at rupees 75,000. Let's write it off among all the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So it's Arjun's capital account debit, Beam's capital account debit, and Nakul's capital account debit, to goodwill account. Existing goodwill rupees 75,000. 75,000 to be written off in OPSR, which is 14:5:6. 42,000 against Arjun, 15,000 against Beam, and 18,000 against Nakul. Narration being existing goodwill written off. Second journal entry, for the fresh valuation of goodwill, as per the working note 1, goodwill of the firm is valued as rupees 50,000. We need to debit the gaining partners and credit the retiring partner. Gaining partner Arjun and Nakul. So it's Arjun capital account debit, Nakul capital account debit, to Beam's capital account, the retiring partner, amount 50,000 into the gain of Arjun is 1 divided by 25. In the case of Nakul, goodwill of the firm 50,000 into gain of Nakul is 4 divided by 25, and Beam share is 5 divided by 25. 2,000, 8,000 and 10,000, being goodwill adjusted on retirement of Beam. Final journal entry. Let's distribute the profit of the first year after Beam's retirement, rupees 1 lakh, among the continuing partners Arjun and Nakul in their new profit sharing ratio, which is 3:2. So we have profit and loss appropriation account debit, to Arjun's capital account, to Nakul's capital account. Rupees 1 lakh distributed in 3:2. 60,000 for Arjun and 40,000 for Nakul, being profits distributed among partners in profit sharing ratio. I'll remove the split and we can view all the three journal entries together. So these are the three journal entries. The first journal entry is to write off the existing goodwill. The second journal entry for treatment of goodwill at the time of retirement of Beam, adjusting it through the partners' capital accounts. And the third journal entry, a year later, the profit of rupees 1 lakh is divided between Arjun and Nakul, the continuing partners, in their profit sharing ratio. So these are the three journal entries. So this is the answer to the example sum 4. Let's go to the example sum 5. Example 5. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 4:3:1. B retires, giving his share of profits to A and C for rupees 8,100. Rupees 3,600 being paid by A and rupees 4,500 by C. Profits for the year after B's retirement was rupees 10,500. You are required to, the first part, to give the necessary journal entries to record the transfer of B's share to A and C, and second part, to calculate the new profit sharing ratio and distribute the profits between A and C. A and C bring in the required amount. So we have the information necessary for the journal entry for adjustment of goodwill. The gaining partners A and C are to be debited with 3,600 and 4,500 rupees respectively, and we need to credit the retiring partner B with rupees 8,100. However, for the second part of the question, where we need to get the new profit sharing ratio in order to distribute the profits for the year after B's retirement, we can utilize the gaining ratio. B is retiring and selling his profits to A and C for 3,600 rupees and 4,500 rupees. So if you put these two in the form of a ratio, we get the gain ratio between A and C, which will help us find out the new profit sharing ratio. So the working note should be to find out the new profit sharing ratio. We have the old profit sharing ratio between A, B and C as 4:3:1. The partner who's retiring is partner B, and he's giving his share 3,600 is given to A and rupees 4,500 is given to partner C. So therefore the gaining ratio between A and C is equal to 3,600 is to 4,500, or in other words 4:5. We can calculate the gain of partner A as total gain, which is B share 3 divided by 8 and multiplied by the gain ratio of A, which is 4 divided by 9. So we get 3 divided by 18 as a gain of A, and to get the gain of partner C, the total gain 3 by 8 multiplied by 5 divided by 9, gain ratio of partner C. So we have 5 divided by 24. We can apply the formulae. New share is equal to old share plus gain. In the case of partner A, old share 4 by 8 plus the gain of A 3 by 18, LCM 72. We get 48 divided by 72. And for partner C, old share 1 by 8 plus the gain 5 by 24, again LCM 72, we get 24 divided by 72, and hence the NPSR between A and C is equal to 48:24 or 2:1. So let's go ahead with the solution. Journal, date, particulars, LF number, debit rupees, and credit rupees. The first journal entry is for the treatment of goodwill at the time of B's retirement. Gaining partner A and C. A capital account debit, C capital account debit, to B capital account, total 8,100 of partner B, 3,600 given to partner A and 4,500 given to partner C, being goodwill adjusted on B's retirement. The second journal entry, A and C are bringing in the required amount, the last sentence in the question. So we have bank account debit to A capital account to C capital account. Rupees 3,600 bought in by partner A and rupees 4,500 brought in by partner C, total 8,100. Debit of bank account being cash brought in by A and partner C. Next entry, we will pay off the partner B. 3. B's capital account, debit to bank account, being partner B paid off 8,100 paid off to partner B. And the final journal entry, we will distribute the profits after 1 year of retirement, profit and loss appropriation account debit, to A capital account, to C capital account, 10,500 profits for the first year to be divided between A and C in their NPSR, which is 2:1. So it comes up to 7,000 rupees for A and 3,500 rupees for partner B. Being profits distributed between A and C in their profit sharing ratio. So these are the 4 journal entries which are the answers to this 5th example sum.